Hello, good morning to you all. Today we'll see how to add Google Translate to our keyboard. For example, when you're texting any of your friends, so I just open a dummy WhatsApp chat of mine and see here when you type the keyboard pops up and this is the option. See here, Google Translate. So by having this option at here, it is very useful. For example, if you're having a friend which is not of your language, means of a different language. For example, you're typing as how are you. So this is the language, the right side one. You can set it to any language. Means for example, if your friend is Danish, means he speaks Danish, then you can click on that, it automatically gets translated and you can send it. When are you leaving? When are you leaving? Just you need to type in your own language and this gets automatically translated and you can send it. So how to have this Google Translate on your keyboard? Right at here, this option. For the first time when you tap on this, a pop-up will appear. You need to select OK, then this sort of UI will be appearing here. So it will be on wherever you use, this will be useful. For example, if you reach to Instagram also, there also you can use the same thing. See, now I just opened this Instagram chat conversation, and here, uh, if you type something here, see, right now I'm on Instagram, and if I type something here, this gets converted to the preferred language which you have set here. You can use this speaker also. Where when you speak something, it's automatically gets converted to the set language, and you can send it to the other person. So, all that you need to do is open your Play Store and just install Gboard. If it is not already available to you, install Gboard and you need to set Gboard as your keyboard. Okay, once you install Gboard from Play Store, just open your phone settings here, and on the search bar you can search for keyboard. So just check what is the default keyboard, manage keyboards. So if it is not Gboard, make Gboard as the default, and just when you open WhatsApp or any other typing thing, when keyboard appears, you will see this Google Translate which is included with that Gboard. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.